Well, today we're going to replace this broken tail light in the Jeep Commander. So we ordered one off of eBay. It came all the way from Washington State. Well, you don't need to see the guy's name and address, do you? Took quite a few days to get here. So I assume you kind of pull on these little plugs here to gain access to some screws. But I'm not 100% sure. Yeah, here we go. Nope, it's a clip that holds it all together so far. And they make a tool for this, but just kind of fish it out nice and gentle. You'll be all right. And I don't see any screws over here. So maybe it just pulls straight out. Yes, it does. Nice and easy. I wouldn't use any tools up in here because you scratch your paint. If you live up in the rust belt, it could be a source of aggravation for you. There you go. It just pops right out. And this little clip, I assume, works like most others. You push the tab down and it unlocks it. But I can't tell right away. Kind of looks that way. I am going to have to lay the phone down while I phone camera while I do this little deal. But you manipulate this clip right here and it'll unplug. Hold on. So yeah, now I see. You just push this tab down and pull. Well, it's difficult one-handed. I was able to push it a minute ago, but I can't do it one-handed. Just can't do it. Yes, this the tab here pushes in, and it releases the little knots inside here. See it? There you go. Not very good focus, but there you go. That's how it works. Now we're going to see if my new light, or second-hand light, came with a plug, and yes, it did, which is very, very convenient. So we take it, and maybe we can plug it together one-handed. There we go. Come on. There we go. And snap. There it is. Get the wires, whoops, out of the way of the body where these little balls fit into the socket here on the body. Balls fit into the sockets on the body. So you just lay it up there and go pop it in there, and there you go. And you take your little square doodads here, your little push clips, pop them in there, and put it in there, and pop it in there. Now your tail light is replaced. So there we go. Broken, ugly tail light replaced with a fresh one. Even you can do that. Those watching this video to figure out how, even you can do it. No special tools required. Maybe a screwdriver to pry a little bit, but that's about all.